The Walz Wheel Loader Scale provides onboard weighing for seamless use, advanced throughput, and enhanced efficiency. Many operations rely on accurately measured and recorded weight data, especially when moving large amounts of product or materials. The Walz LS series loader scales are proudly manufactured in the USA to the highest quality standards. Walz onboard wheel loader scales are available with basic weighing models as well as advanced models with weighing data and multiple calibration options. Whatever the weighing application is for your loader, the Walz loader scale can help you track weighing data. Our loader scale kit comes complete with all hardware and hydraulic fittings needed to fit your machine. Walz Scale is an industry leader in heavy-duty weighing systems for large hauling vehicles like wheel loaders. Contact Walz Scale today to see how we can help your operation with our weighing solutions. Walz Scale, taking care of our customers since 1966.